I have been working in this company for almost 5 years. My job is to provide customers with high-quality medical product solution, meet their requirements with the lowest expenses. So I'm going to introduce a little bit of my working routine. The first thing I do every day is look at the customer information. I organize my work, and then I will do the most important thing, to make coffee for me. And then I can focus on my work. I deal with some important information in the morning, and then I will chat with my client on the online in the afternoon, and make the necessary summaries before leaving my work. These are my ordinary days in the past 5 years. Okay, thank you.